Hello, my name is Akanksha Shukla, Assistant Professor, Biani Group of Colleges. Now we are going to discuss differential equation. Firstly, we will discuss what is differential equation, that is introduction of differential equation. The equation which consists of differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable known as differential equation, such as this is equation which consists of two terms, two variables x and y. This is dqy by dx cube minus 5d square by dx square plus 4dy by dx minus 2y is equal to e to the power x, where dependent variable is y which depend on x and independent is x. This is the equation and this is the differential coefficient of y. This is the equation consisting dependent variable, independent variable and differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So this equation is known as differential equation. Now, what is the order and degree of differential equation, types of differential equation, method of solving of differential equation, we will discuss more about this. Firstly, the order of differential equation, such as the order of differential equation is the order of differential equation is the order of highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation, such as this is the equation. We are consisting two types of equation. This is in the terms of dy by dx and this is in the terms of d square by dx square. Here the order of dy by dx is 1 because the terms d by dx of order is 1. So the order of this differential equation is 1. Now secondly we come in the next equation. In this equation we have d square by dx square plus x dy by dx whole cube is equal to sin x. The power of this is the order of highest order derivative. So the order of this differential equation is 2, not 3. Now come at the degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation is the power of highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation which is free from radicals such as fractions and radicals, such as if we take equation d square by dx square is equal to under root 1 plus dy by dx. If we take such type of equation, so firstly we have to remove the radicals and fractions for determining the degree of the differential equation. Now we can write this 1 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to d2y by dx square. Now the highest order derivative is d square by dx square and the power of highest order derivative is 2. So the degree of this differential equation is 2 because by the definition of degree of differential equation we can know that the power of highest order derivative is the order and degree. Now we will discuss the type of differential equation. There are two types of differential equation. First is ordinary and second is partial differential equation. What is ordinary differential equation? Such as this is a differential equation x square d square by dx square plus 5 dy by dx square plus 1 is equal to 0. The differential coefficient is with respect to x, which is one variable. In this equation, the equation is defined only in the term of one differential coefficient, but in partial there are more than one differential coefficient variable such as x, y, z. This is the main difference between the ordinary and partial. In ordinary differential equation we take only one differential coefficient with respect to only one variable, but in partial differential equation we take differential coefficient with respect to more than one variable. Now ordinary and partial differential equation also divided in two parts. First is linear and second is non-linear. Now, if we define a non-linear differential equation except the non-linear equation are known as linear equations. So, what is the non-linear differential equation? If the equation satisfied for these conditions, any of the four these conditions satisfied these type, then the equation is known as non-linear differential equation. Firstly, if the degree of, such as see this equation, in this equation the degree of the differential equation is 2. If the degree of the differential equation is more than 1, then the differential equation is known as non-linear differential equation. Okay. After that, we come at this equation. In this equation we see that the exponent, any exponent of any derivative, such as exponent of any derivative in the differential equation or power of any derivative in the differential equation. This was the case of degree, highest order, highest power derivative. But in this case, this is not case of degree, any of the derivatives such as dy by dx. So the power of dy by dx or exponent of dy by dx is 2. In this case, this equation is non-linear. We come at third point. This is a differential equation of order 3 where the dependent variable y has power 2, that is exponent of power 2. If the dependent variable in the differential equation has more than 1, then this differential equation is known as non-linear differential equation. Come to the next. If there is any product of dependent variable and the differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, then this type of equation is also known as non-linear differential equation. Except all those condition or except all the non-linear differential equation, other equations are known as linear differential equations. After discussing the ordinary, partial differential equation, linear, non-linear differential equation, we comes at the solution. Firstly, we will discuss the solution of the first order, first degree differential equation solution. Okay? First order, first degree means whose order is 1 and whose degree is 1, such as dy by dx, whose highest derivative, the order of highest order derivative is 1 and the power of highest order derivative is 1. For solving these type of differential equation, we have 7 types of methods, such as first method is used in variable separable method for the simple equations. Second is homogeneous form. In variable separable method, we separate to the variables such as x in one side, y in one side and integrate easily. In homogeneous form, the equation is given in form in equal homogeneous form, and after that we can solve it. Reducible to homogeneous form. If equation is not given in the form of homogeneous, then we can reduce it into the homogeneous form, and after we can solve same as the method of homogeneous form. If the differential equation of the form dy by dx p plus q, we can solve it by the integrating factor method. Similarly, if we can solve by Bernoulli equation. If the differential equation is of exact form such as m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, the solving this method is 7. We can, if equation is not in exact form, we can reduce it into exact form and can after solve by this method. Thank you, thank you, thank you.